Hello everyone, how are y'all doing today? I'll be showing you how to do this lovely invisible crochet hair with water wave. So first I split one of the strands into four and actually cut it in half too, so then I could braid the hair in. So I used the short end of the braid to braid into her hair and have her hold the other end down. This will give that invisible look that, most of us are going for when we're using this type of hair. As you can see, the first braid I did, you see I was just dangling. It looks like it's coming straight from the root. Yes, that's what we're aiming for right here. So now when the braid is about to end, we pick up the other braid into that braid and braid them in together. So you don't have any braids sticking out and, we need everything up and ready. So now we finished braiding up the hair. As you can see, we have crisscrosses in the middle of the hair and every braid is looped up. Sometimes I crochet the braids into the other braids. I didn't like this method of looping. I didn't feel like it was secure. So I did another one where you stick the needle under the braid, loop it up, open it, and then do it twice. Boom. Maybe even tie it if you want to. One good time. But I just I stick it in, loop it up, stick the hair in between the loop twice. Boom. I like that much better. I felt like it was more secure. Maybe even tie it, like I say, one bow tie after that. Not bow tie, but like one little knot after that, just to really get that secure and have the hair shredding or just slipping out. But yeah, that's what I did with the braids. And as you can see with the crisscross look, it's just to keep the hair from parting all the way down to the back of your head. That is going to look kind of weird. So you kind of want to crisscross around. And that's just one style of braiding. As you can see, the hair is very full. Now, you only separate the hair twice if you're looking for that full look like this. And I like to separate the hair because I don't like big knots, We're trying to have a hairstyle, not some Party City looking thing, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Add a lot of mousse and stuff if you really want to tame this. I didn't have any mousse at the time. But yeah, look at that. She could part it any kind of way she wants. She can put it in a ponytail if she wants. Half up, half down. Whatever you want to do. Just use the right hair products to tame this wild beast. But it's so cute. She loved it. I loved it. I hope you guys love it. Subscribe.